What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Reckless Overland. That's right, change the name. It's gonna be Reckless Overland. I was looking up search optimization, which I'm not super good at, but there was a lot more searches for overlanding than there was just JK in general. So, name change. Away from the boring stuff, this video is about making coffee on the trail. So what I do is I just really grab some cheap Folgers coffee, which this is some dark coffee. I've had 2 or 3 cups of it now. It's not really the best, but it's what I got. I also have some Canadian coffee, Tim Hortons. It's pretty good. Perks of going to Canada a lot. Now, my favorite setup is going to be this. Not much room in here, but got my buddy heater right there because it's 34 degrees outside, a thermos, and just a little Coleman one burner stove. Works pretty good. Just work up a boil in there, if you can see it at all. But yep, got a view with my coffee. Shout out to Smitty Built. Pretty great. Yep, so what you do is you just take this burner, start it up, put it on high, wait until it goes to about right there. Grab my light where it's boiling. Turn that sucker off. By the way, this is the French press method. I'll take it, and we will go ahead and put some coffee in here. You want about 2 teaspoons of this Folgers dark roast coffee per 6 ounces of water. And that's about the last time that I've ever measured anything. Also, side note, don't leave your coffee next to your propane heater. That was dumb. Alright, take your French press, the filtered side, let it sit there apparently for about 4 minutes. And then, I think it's been, what, the recorder will say, 3 minutes total. Alright, so buddy heater awareness. This works amazing. But you have to ventilate, or else they can kill you. It says it on the back. Do not use indoors without ventilation. I usually keep one of those stakes up that holds the rain fly up, and then let it just sag, and keep this bug net closed, of course. And then it usually stays like 40-50 degrees while it's on. And then I shut it off once I get into a sleeping bag. Which, the sleeping bag, I got a pillow from Walmart. This thing's insane. I love this pillow. Like, it's small, but it works. I'm small. The sleeping bag is 10 degrees sleeping bag. And I was not cold. I was sweating almost the entire night. But, alright, back to the coffee. Now that you got the coffee grounds in there, came down to the simmer. You're not gonna burn yourself if it tips over. Carefully insert this. To where it goes on there. And slowly push it down. Boom. We've got coffee. Now, if you want to see inside of it, we'll see what it looks like. Should be 0 to very, very little coffee grounds in there. But it's time to drink this coffee. So I'm going to do that. Peace out. Like, subscribe. Tell me I suck. I don't care. Do whatever you want.